Students, welcome to our math. That one is your standard 2 class and our topic name is your counting in groups. Okay, in that topic today I want to discuss with more or less, right? So in that more or less I want to discuss that one is more. Tell me, more or less. So let us see, more or less. More means that is your, I will showing you, see, bigger side, bigger number. Okay, that one is, yes, crocodile. Have you seen crocodile? Crocodile mouth is how much? Always like this or not? Okay, so when is bigger number means crocodile will show move his mouth like this to eat something, right or not? Next is your, this is your smaller side and this is your smaller number, right? Next is your, understood, bigger side, bigger number, and this is your smaller side is your smaller number. This is known as your crocodile mouth, right or not? Okay, then when there will be bigger number, crocodile move his mouth to bigger side, right or not? Next I will show you, this is your smaller side and smaller number. Then tell me, student, then crocodile will face his mouth to which side? Left hand side? No, right hand side. Yes, this is your right hand side. Okay, so you see, this is your bigger side and is your bigger number. Right? Now you see, when there is a bigger side and bigger number is there, the crocodile mouth or crocodile show his face towards left hand side, and when there is the bigger number and bigger side is in right hand side, the crocodile also move that side, right or not? Okay, so this is for these comparing quantities. Then now I want to discuss only just, you see here by showing some example. Let us see. Here I am just holding it. I am showing my how many hands? 2 hands to you. One is your right hand and another is your left hand. In my right hand, how many chalks are there? 2 chalks. But in my right hand, left hand, how many chalks are there? 3 chalks. So tell me, students, which one is more and which one is less? This one is how many? 3. But this one is 2. I know that you know. Answer. Tell me. Yes. This is the chalk which one I am holding in my left hand is more, and the chalk which one I am holding in my right hand is less. So for this we have to know some rules. You see, comparing quantities. First we will show that one is different digit. Okay, so let us see what is the different digit. Just a minute. I am showing, see, Shikha has 25 sticks. Okay. Survi has 325 sticks. So this is the question is, students, tell me, Shikha has 25 sticks and Survi has how many? 325 sticks. Okay. So tell me, Shikha has more stick or Surbi has more stick? For that we will see, that is, you see, Shikha, I am writing, you see, Shikha, and here I am writing what? Surbi. Right? That one here I am writing is your 325. So now tell me, students, in 25 how many digits are there? Yes. How many? 2 digits. But in 325, how many digits are there? How many? Yes, that one is your 3 digit. So tell me, students, 2 digit is more or 3 digit is more? Right, that one is your 3 digit is more. So I will write 325 is more than means Surbhi has more sticks than is your Shikha, right? So from this we got that the number having more number of digits is always greater, right? The number having more number of digits, see that one, that point I am writing. If you want to write in your copy, you can write also, right? The number having more number of digits always what? Greater. This point always you remember in your mind. Complete? Okay. So next we will go to what? Complete this one. Next we will go to what? Same digit. Okay. What will write? That is different digit. Our discussion is complete. Next I will write same digit. Same number of digit. Okay. So now 345, I am writing 945. So tell me students, here is your 345 I have written and 945. You see here also 3 digit, here also 3 digit. So first our rule is we have to see the 100 place first, right? 100 place. So tell me students, in the left hand side which number is there? Which digit is in the left hand, means in your 100 place? 3. Yes, you just put arrow mark and bring 3 to down, right? And in this number, which one is in the 100 place? 9, right? So always when we compare, now you see, when, because you see the other 2 digits are same, so nothing necessary you have to make it so much confusion. So here is 3 and here is 9. So can you tell me students, I told na, this one is your smaller number, smaller side. This one is bigger number, bigger side. Now the crocodile will eat which one? 9 na 3? Yes, the crocodile eat 2. 9. That's why this is your smaller side. That's why 345 is less than 945. Right. Then another example I am giving. Tell me students, Yod. You will tell now. Okay. 900. Then is your 500. Tell me students, what? You see, these are also 00, these are also 00, and these are also 3 digit. This number are also how many digit? 3 digit. Now tell me, we have to see which place? 100 place. Right. So you just put arrow mark, bring 9 here, and here you put arrow mark and bring 5 here. Now tell me students, crocodile eat which number? 9 na 5, because I have told bigger number bigger side, smaller number smaller side. That's why like this. That means 9 is greater than 5. Okay, 9 is greater than 5. Right. So our complete. Next rule is your, if the 100 place is same, then compare the tens place. Okay, so let us see how. You see, if I will write 345, here I will write 354. Now tell me students, here also 3 digit, here also 3 digit. So in this also, this 3 also in 100 place, here also 3 is 100 place. I have written, if 100 place is same, then we will go to which place? Tens place, right? So tell me students, in the first number, then which digit is sitting in the tens place? 4. Okay. Then in second, which one is sitting? 5. Right. So now you can put the sign. Which sign? Smaller number, smaller side. Okay. That means this one. So that means 345 is less than 354. Okay. So now another example will do. Are you clear? Next 5, 2, 8. Next I'll write 8, 3. So tell me, I have also written your form rules. What? 100. If the 100 place is same, we will go to which place? Tens place. This one and this one. So tell me, this one is your 2, this one is your 8. So now tell me students, what this is? Which sign I'll put? Smaller number, smaller side. Bigger number, bigger side. That means this sign, right? That means 528 is less than 583. Then if the 100 place and tens place is same, then we will compare the ones place, right? Which place? Ones place. You see 349, then here I'll write 346. You see 100 place, here also 100 place 3 is given, here also 100 place 3 is given. In here tens place is 4 is given, here also in tens place 4 is given. Now tell me students, this is what written? 9. Now this in ones place what is written? 6. So tell me students, which one is greater? 9 is greater or 6 is greater? You know, bigger side, bigger number. Bigger side means this, like this will do, right? Bigger side means like this will do. Next example we'll see. You will tell yourself. That one is 4, 2, 3. Another I'll write 4, 2, 6. Right. You see, in 100 place also 4. And here also 100 place is 4. Now tell me students, what is in the tens place? 2. Okay. Here also in tens place 2 is there. So now just come to which place? Ones place. Now you put arrow mark and write 3 here. Now you just make circle and put arrow mark and write here. Now tell me students, this is 3 and 6. That means smaller side, smaller number. And here is your bigger side, bigger number. That means this one, your 423 and is less than 426. So by comparing numbers, I have discussed with you 3 points. That means the number, the digit, the number having more number of digit is always greater. Number 1. So number 2, if the digit is same, then first we will see the 100 place. Okay. Number 3, then if the 100 place and the tens place are same, then we will go to which place? Ones place, right or not? Then if the 100 place is same, then we will go to which place? Tens place. Then we will see by using what? Number line. Let us see. What is number line? We'll see. First you may put one line. Then you write here number 310. Any number you can write. That means you will not write that is 310 compulsory. 313, 314, 315 and is your 316. Next is your 317. Okay. First you put a line and just give arrow mark on both sides. Then by giving equal distance, you just write some numbers. Okay, I have written 310, 311, 312, 313, 314, 315, 316 and 317. Okay, so now tell me students, 300 312 if I'll write, and I'll write 315. You search in the number line. 312 is where? Here. Yes, very good. This one is your 312. But 315 is saying, I am, you see where I am sitting. You also search me. Yes, by searching, here is your 315. That means 312 is comes before 315, and also we can say 315 comes after 312. Okay, so you see 312 is your smaller number. That's why I told what? Smaller side, smaller number, bigger side, bigger number. That means like this. Okay, next another example I'll tell. That one is 317 and 310. So tell me, students, search where is 317 on the number line? Here, the last. That's 317 is sitting, right or not? Yes, very good. Then 310 is where? In the first. So 317 is telling, I am the last, but you are the first. Okay, so that's why 317 comes after 310, and 310 is telling, I am also coming before you. Okay, so that's it, but we have to put sign. So that's why this is your bigger number, bigger side, smaller number, smaller side. That's why you just put either which sign, greater sign. Are you clear? By looking this, you can identify or you can recognize which is the greater number and which is the smaller number. Okay, so today how much things I have discussed with you. So let me ask. Okay, so number 1, number 2, 5, 3, 5, 6, 3, 5. Next number 3, then 6, 4, 9, 6, 4, 8. Next is your, so tell me, students, you know 3 rules I have told you. Yes, another number I have not written, that is 29. Another I'll write 292. Okay. So here you see what I say, that is your 100 place, and here also 100 place is there, and other 2 digits are same. So tell me, students, which sign I'll put? Which rule I told? Yes, this is your greater number, greater side. Okay, next is your next question. You come 535, then 635. You see these 2 digits are same. Here also these 2 digits are same. So we have to see which place. 100 place. In 100 place, here 5 is there and here 6 is there. So can you tell me, students? 5 is and here is a 6. Tell me what I'll write? That is your bigger number, bigger side. This is your smaller number, smaller side. That means this sign. Right? Next is your 649 and 648. Tell me, students, by looking these 2 numbers, who can say what is given in this number? Tell me. Yes, this is your, here also 64, here also 64. So you have to see which place? 1's place. Here is 9 given and here is your 8 given. So tell me, students, which one I'll put? Which one? Yes, bigger number, bigger side. That means this one. Right? Means 9 is greater than 8. Okay. Now, this one is having how many digits? 2 digits. This one is having 3 digits. So, tell me 2 is always less than 3. Okay. Because 2 comes before 3. So, that's why I will put this sign. That means here you know what the first point I have discussed with you. The number having more number of digits is always greater. Okay. So, how many points I have discussed with you in that regarding comparing numbers? So all of you just practice at your home, keep revising, keep learning at home. Okay, the next class I will again give you some questions and also again I will discuss. Then thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.